I'm here with this disposable wire mesh cloth. You've probably been seeing these on all over the place, but these are really used to replace a sponge, and you basically just use this to scrub and then just wipe it off and let it dry, and you can reuse these again. Much better than sponges here. So it comes in a pack of 10 here, as you can see here. We're gonna try to test this out. I have a spot on my stove and I want to rub and see how this works. So we're gonna go test this out here. So let's look at these here. All right, we are here with the wired dishcloth here. It comes in a pack of 10 here, and you can see here, I'm gonna hold it up. This is how it looks right here. Look at there, you can see the wire there. It helps you, gives you a nice scrub, and where I used to buy SOS pads, this is gonna save me a lot of money here. So I have a spot on the stove. I'm gonna go try right now. Come with me, we're gonna go see if we can clean this spot up. Here we go. All right, this is the spot right here on the stove. I mean, it's really in there. I'm gonna see if we can use this here. You're simply supposed to wet it, and it's supposed to work here. Look at there. So we are going to give this a shot right now. I'm gonna go wet it. Okay, I wet it, so let's see here. Wow, I mean, that came up effortlessly. I mean, it really, I didn't even have to push hard on that. Look at there, and look, there's some more spots over here I didn't even know about. And it's cleaning it. Look at there. Woo! Man, look at there. Look at there. Guys, it is doing it. Look at there. I did not even know these spots was up here. I knew about this one because it was all nice, and that one was a thick one there. But man, these things work. I'm gonna let this dry here. I was using the sponge. Away with the sponge. There you go, guys. Give these a shot.